Hello and welcome back to NDTV. Profit just about flat for the markets, 2 points higher, 3 points higher for the Nifty and about 5-10 points plus higher for the Sensex. One important news flow that came in post-market hours yesterday was about Prime Focus and Reliance Mediaworks arrangement with the Prime Focus. Now we have the management of Prime Focus, Namit Malhotra, Executive Chairman as well as Group CEO, joining us on the phone line. Namit, if you could first start by telling us about what is the deal, what does it bring on table for Prime Focus, and what is the benefit that you can see from this Reliance Mediaworks deal going ahead?
Yes, so thank you. And I think the deal basically encapsulates from what we announced a week ago, which is basically a merger with a very large UK-based visual effects company called Double Negative. The entire digital media services business of Reliance Mediaworks, and a new capital infusion by Reliance Group and the promoters of Prime Focus into establishing what we believe is the next version of our global strategy. And this creates, in our mind, probably the most comprehensive and integrated services provider in the entertainment business by far. And we recognize the strategic investment and the consolidation of the front end and the back end capabilities of our industry that really leads the way for us globally. We, in addition, have an outlay of a total investment of 240 crores being invested by Reliance Mediaworks and the promoters equally at 52 rupees a share, and that would bring an effective overall capital holding or dilution to the tune of 33.5% for the promoters and 30% for Reliance as part of this completely merged entity.
This will also include an open offer?
Yes. So in addition, there will be an open offer to the tune of 26% that will be that has been rolled out by the promoters and Reliance.
So that will also be jointly funded by both, if whatever you get in terms of that open offer.
That's correct.
Right. Also, once you create this new entity, you get all the approvals. Do you think that with the size and the scale of the new company, you would be able to get better deals and much more quicker in terms of pricing power and bidding for deals which are of much higher size?
I think, see, in one clean sweep, it's fair to say that we've fixed the entire business proposition, where we've got a very strong and a clear outlay of our domestic business, which is providing services to the film, television, advertising industry here, and also with our partners in Double Negative on the Western Hemisphere, where we've got now absolutely tier one relationship. So that, on a combined basis, I think is a very, very unique proposition and will provide absolutely the firepower needed to have a more comprehensive set of services and larger deal sizes across the board.
Right. How would this 240 crores be utilized that both the promoters are now putting in? Would this be used to pay back debt or fund the acquisition?
So this is partly to fund the merger and for a small portion of the debt to be paid back as part of this overall financing.
Right, Namit, thank you so much for joining us and congratulations on the deal with Reliance Mediaworks. That was the management of Prime Focus talking about Reliance Mediaworks and Prime Focus deal that they announced yesterday. If we look at the rupee, 59.72 continues to be slightly on the stronger side. Nifty absolutely flat, about 1 point down or so, but it has been slightly on the flatter side since morning. Let's take a break on the air. On the other side of the break, Sanjeev Basin would be joining us with his trading ideas.